Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Ywigs. Shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into the look. So today we have beaded wefts. This isn't really a tutorial. This is kind of just like watch me install these for the first time because I've never installed beaded wefts before. So watched a few videos of other people install these on themselves. So I had an idea of what to do, how to do it. Ywigs does provide you with all the tools that you need to install this hair. I'm going to show you the tools that they send you to install this hair. I actually didn't use the hook. The hook is very similar to like a crochet, and I didn't use that because I just felt better using my finger to pull the hair through the bead. So that's what I did for majority of the video. So I will show you how I install these. I did have 2 packs of their kinky straight texture, and these are 20 inches. I have used Ywigs kinky straight texture in quite a few other installs. I've done their clip-ins, I've done their tape-ins. Really like their Yaki straight. I went in and I started in the back. These do come in different sizes. It's basically like a track, and I would say it's double wefted because it's pretty thick. And you can cut these to size. We're going to start with the pros and the cons because I got to keep it real with y'all. What I like about these are it's very discreet. I was able to install this in less than like an hour. I would suggest you take your time. It's versatile. You can put this up in a high ponytail. You can do half up, half down. You can flip it from left to right. If placed incorrectly, this can rip your hair clean out of your scalp. And we don't like that. I think I don't really have too many cons except for that. It was the fact that and that's what took me so long to install these. I've had these for a while, but I was just anxious about the way they like are installed. Like, nah. And depending on the texture hair you have, so listen, do your research. I do like these. This was really cute. I am glad that I got to try them. This is way faster than a sew-in. I know some people call this a braidless sew-in. Links will be down below. Shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.